Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro device, and I'm gonna show you how to restore factory defaults on this device by recovery mode. So, algorithm of recovery using recovery mode is very simple. Firstly, we need to connect our device to the PC. Of course, on the PC we need to have downloaded iTunes, or if you have Mac device you don't need to have downloaded any application. You will have this option in the Finder. Okay, then we need to connect our device to the PC. Then we need to open the iTunes. We need to click restore. It will update our device, and that's it. And it will restore factory default. So connect the iPhone to the PC. Then we need to open recovery mode. To do it, click volume up, volume down, and press and hold power button. Press until your device will put it into that recovery. Cool, that's it. Now our iTunes, okay, as you can see, iTunes has, wait, okay, I can't move this window unfortunately, so it asks, there is a problem with the iPhone that requires to be updated or restored. So let's try to click restore iPhone, and when you click in restore iPhone, it's say that firstly we need to update, so restore and update. So click restore and update. I have downloaded the software for this device, but if you have not downloaded, so I have downloaded because I do need doing this action maybe second or third time, so I have downloaded the software. If you have not, so here you will see the downloading icon, and software will need to download it first. Then after the software will be downloaded, your smartphone will be automatically recovered. So wait a while again. So cool, as you can see, preparing iPhone for restore. So now we just need to wait for about 10 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, iPhone was actually restored, but now we need to activate our device. We can do it using the interface of the iPhone, but we can do it using the iTunes application, and I suggest you to do it with iTunes. So enter the email. And enter the password. Click continue. And cool, as you can see, iPhone was unlocked. And you can right now, if you have, of course, you can right now backup, so restore your iPhone from the local backup if you had the backup before. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.